As the new year approaches, many of us find ourselves reflecting on the past and setting intentions for the future. We make resolutions, envision goals, and promise ourselves that this year will be different. But how often do we take the time to consider the mindset we bring into this new chapter of our lives? What if, instead of just resolutions, we embrace the powerful teachings of Stoic philosophy to cultivate emotional resilience and inner strength? Today, we'll explore how the timeless wisdom of Stoicism can guide us through the challenges of life, helping us to live with purpose, clarity, and resilience. So, grab a cup of tea, settle in, and let's embark on this journey of self-improvement together. Some may wonder, what is Stoicism? It's more than just a philosophy from ancient Greece. It's a way of life. Stoicism teaches us how to navigate life's ups and downs with grace and strength. It's not about suppressing emotions or stoically enduring hardships without feeling. It's about transforming challenges into opportunities for growth. As Marcus Aurelius once said, "The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way." This idea, that obstacles can be the very path to progress, is especially relevant as we step into a new year filled with uncertainty and potential. By embracing Stoic principles, we can transform our mindset and develop the mental toughness necessary to overcome challenges and thrive. Today, we'll unpack some of the most powerful lessons Stoicism has to offer and how you can use them to create a resilient and virtuous life in the year ahead. Let's dive in! Lesson 1. Focus on what you can control. Epictetus, one of the most influential Stoic philosophers, emphasized the importance of distinguishing between what is within our control and what is not. He said, "Make the best use of what is in your power, and take the rest as it happens." This simple yet profound insight can free us from the stress of worrying about things beyond our influence. Think about the situations that caused you stress in the past year. How many of them involve things you couldn't control, like other people's opinions, unforeseen events, or external circumstances? By focusing on what we can control, our thoughts, actions, and attitudes, we free ourselves from unnecessary worry and anxiety, empowering us to act with clarity and purpose. Practical application. Each morning, write down one thing within your control and one thing that isn't. Use this reflection to guide your day and center your efforts on what truly matters. Lesson 2. Practice mindfulness. Daily Stoic practices encourage us to stay present and mindful. Too often, we get lost in worrying about the future or ruminating on the past. But as Seneca wisely said, we suffer more often in imagination than in reality. Mindfulness helps us recognize when we're trapped in these thought patterns and brings us back to the present moment, where we can act effectively. Practical Stoicism. Tip: begin your day with 5 minutes of mindfulness meditation. Focus on your breath, and when your mind starts to wander, gently bring it back. This practice cultivates awareness and emotional resilience, setting a calm and purposeful tone for the day. Lesson 3. Embrace adversity as opportunity. Life is unpredictable and challenges are inevitable, but instead of dreading adversity, Stoicism teaches us to embrace it as a chance to grow stronger. Marcus Aurelius reminds us, "The universe is change. Our life is what our thoughts make it." This means we have the power to shape our reality through our perspective. When faced with a challenge, ask yourself, how can I grow from this? What lesson is this teaching me? Viewing obstacles as opportunities shifts your mindset from resistance to resilience. Practical exercise. At the end of each day, reflect on a difficulty you faced and identify one positive outcome or lesson it offered. Over time, this practice helps you build emotional resilience and a growth-oriented mindset, incorporating Stoic practices into daily life. Now that we've explored key Stoic principles, let's discuss how to bring them into your daily routine. Here are 3 practical techniques. Number 1. Morning reflections. Start your day with a moment of quiet contemplation. Reflect on what you can control, set intentions, and visualize how you want to respond to challenges. Number 2. Evening journaling. Dedicate a few minutes each evening to journaling. Write about what went well, where you struggled, and what you can improve. This habit fosters self-awareness and continuous personal growth. Number 3. Meditation techniques. Practice mindfulness meditation regularly. Focus on your breath and observe your thoughts without judgment. This strengthens your ability to remain calm and centered in the face of life's ups and downs. These practices not only enhance emotional resilience but also cultivate mental toughness, allowing you to face whatever life throws your way with courage and composure. One key cornerstone of Stoic philosophy is living with purpose. As we set our intentions for the new year, let's ask ourselves, what truly matters to me? By aligning our actions with our values, we create a life that reflects our deepest aspirations. Marcus Aurelius challenges us with these words: "Waste no more time arguing about what a good man should be. Be one." This powerful quote reminds us that self-improvement isn't about perfection, but about consistently embodying our values in our daily actions. Here's another practical exercise. Each week, identify one value that's important to you, whether it's courage, kindness, or wisdom, and commit to living that value in specific, tangible ways. As we step into the new year, let us embrace the teachings of Stoicism to cultivate inner strength, emotional resilience, and a life of purpose. Remember, it's not the challenges we face that define us, but how we respond to them. Seneca reminds us, life is long if you know how to use it. Let's use it well by focusing on what we can control, embracing adversity, and living each day with intention. Thank you for joining us today. If you found value in this video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more insights into Stoic philosophy and personal growth. Let's walk this path together, learning and growing as we navigate the complexities of life. Here's to a resilient and virtuous new year ahead. May it be filled with growth, mindfulness, and purpose. Until next time, stay stoic.